Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video we're going to show you exactly how you can assign member roles or your team members in your workspace on Slack really quickly. So drop a like and now let's get started. So let's assume you would like to change the member status of one of your team members, let's say from a regular member to an admin, or even transfer the ownership to that member, or make a guest a regular member. So this is how you can do it, guys. Simply head over to your Slack workspace, and what you want to do after that is click on that arrow down icon next to your workspace name and select or hover your mouse over Tools and Settings, and from the following drop-down menu select Workspace Settings. So inside your workspace settings, click on that button here, Manage Members and Roles. And in the last step, guys, simply hover the mouse over the user you would like to assign a new member role, like that one here, for example. Click on these three dots. You will see the account type and the role here to the right. So what you want to do is simply click on these three dots here and select an option from that drop-down menu. Now, the option availability will depend on the given user's account types. For example, you will be given the opportunity to upgrade, let's say, a guest to a regular member, or to assign admin roles to a regular member, or even transfer the ownership if you click on these three dots here next to your own username and transfer that ownership to another user. And that's basically it. That's how we do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.